Hello everyone, it's good to see you here, and today we will see how we can get eligible for Scroll's airdrop. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So this is the project I'm talking about. This is a layer 2 network built by Ethereum developers for Ethereum developers. So this is open source, and this will basically make Ethereum more powerful by giving it more capabilities for scaling and security measures, and also utilize ZK knowledge, tech and EVM compatibility. So for Scroll's airdrop, we have to do the similar thing that we do for other airdrops as well. Like we have to send Ethereum to Scroll first, then we need to do as many transactions as possible on Scroll's network in order to leave our traces on their network, so they can see us that we have visited their network and they can incentivize us for that. But there are some conditions, and airdrops are getting tough day by day because a lot of people are getting into it and leaving the network or ecosystem right after they get the airdrop. That's why these new projects are coming up with different conditions. So make sure that you do at least $100 or more than that while doing this particular transaction on Scroll, and also make sure to do these transactions once in a while, at least twice a week, so they can see that you are actually using Scroll not for just the airdrop but actually liking their ecosystem. So it's better to do it with more than $100 and also more transactions, at least for 2 to 3 months. You can just simply add it on your to-do list and do it on daily basis. So for this, first send the funds on Scroll, and for that we will use Metamask in this particular tutorial. And for that, go to this option of chain list, this website. Just simply search it up on Google and you would be able to find it. After that, you need to search for Scroll over here and add it to Metamask. After that, search for Base over here and add it to Metamask as well. Since we want to save our money while transferring the Ethereum, so we will use Base in order to save us some gas fees. And after you add both these networks, it will be added and shown on your Metamask in your network section. So this is how it will appear. After that, just open up this particular bridge, or you can also go with the RhinoFi, the one which is suggested by Scroll. You can find RhinoFi bridge directly on Scroll website as well. Just simply click on it and this is where it will take you. Now you can connect your wallet and do the transaction. But since we added Base in order to save the money on gas fees, so we will rather open up this one, and it is app.xy.finance. Just simply type it up on your address bar and enter, and it will take you over here. After that, connect your Metamask wallet over here, then click on the first option and select Base. You won't be able to find it, just simply search for it or click on this option of more network and you will be able to find Base. After that, select the option of Ethereum by Base, and this is how you will be able to select it. And in order to send Ethereum on your Base, just simply use a Binance or any other exchange. Just select the option of Base in the network, otherwise you will end up losing your funds if you do it incorrectly. So just make sure that you are doing it correctly. After that, select over here, click on Scroll, and then select Ethereum by Scroll and type the amount that you want to send, and also switch to Base in order to do this particular transaction. So after you switch it up, just type the amount and bridge it to the Scroll network. Now after bridging, we will have the funds on Scroll network, and after that, just open up the official website of Scroll, click on option of ecosystem, and this is where it will take you. Here you will be able to find different D apps on Scroll. Just utilize them, use them, do the transactions, and this way you would be eligible for more than one airdrop. Just like if you scroll down further, you can find Orbiter Finance. If you use Orbiter Finance, then you will be eligible for Orbiter Finance's airdrop as well. So just simply open it up, select the token, then select the network. We have it on Scroll now, so we will select Scroll. Then we can bridge it to another network And if you do it for optimism, then it is completely fine. Just simply use it up this way, and also make sure to get the funds back on your Scroll network in order to test all the other dApps as well. Like here you can see on Alien Swap, you can earn this airdrop by completing these activities. This way you would also be earning different airdrops by using these dApps, and Scroll airdrop is the main one that this video is all about. So just simply do the swaps on different platforms and keep the transaction limit quite high for your address, and this way you would be able to earn it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to see more such videos, just simply subscribe to our channel and also turn the notifications on. Make sure to hit that like button. See you in the next video.